Ar an Darlord mi anar on the 2nd of January, I put up a video about creating a plan, the importance an tábhachtach maidir le phlean a cruthú agus an stadair and study, agus na lagí and your weaknesses. Agus chun díriú na lagí sin and to concentrate on them weaknesses. Ach tá sé éasca plan a cruthú, it's easy to create a plan. Níl sé éasca an phlean a chur a bhain. It's not easy to execute on the plan. It's redacre. Síos nó stadair, it's hard. You put it off, you procrastinate. Tá moilleadóireacht dó. Moilleadóireacht, procrastination. You avoid it. You avoid doing work. Cén fá, tá aglairt, fatíosart, you're afraid, there's fear on. You're worried where to start, there's so much to do. Cad éon réiteach ar sin, cur tús leis, just start. Níl éon plan forfa. There's no perfect plan. Just get started, put your head down and get started. And you will learn from your mistakes. You will learn. You will learn. No matter what kind of plan you have, it doesn't matter unless you make the decision to start studying. An rud is tábhachtaí ná chun cur tús leis to start. Start studying. Don't procrastinate. Get into it.
Boom!